I'm Brian. Welcome to Build a Place. In this project, we're going to be using Loctite Bonding System to repair this broken drill motor. The handles broke off. We're going to put it back together, and then we'll do a demonstration or test, if you want to call it, to see how well that bonding system works. To start this repair, I'm going to take everything apart so we can take the pieces and individually glue them back together. So we'll take the handle apart. The drill motor is going to have to come apart. Everything's in pieces now, so it needs to be washed. So we'll go up and give this thing a good bath, because if not, it's going to be all over your hands. And when you're using the adhesive, you're going to contaminate your connection. So prior to doing any bonding of almost any kind of material, I like to do a test. So right here, I did a test of this adhesive system, and I prepped the area just like I would if I was going to glue the part. So it's all cleaned. I put a small dab of the adhesive on this piece of material right here, this test area. Now I want to do a peel test of that to see how well it bonds. So I just take a pick and try to get underneath of it and try to pick it off. Now I've already did this earlier, and it seems to be holding. I mean, I'm just breaking the adhesive. It's holding to the piece. I'm just breaking away more plastic. So this is a complete bond. It's good. So we can continue on with using this adhesive with this type of plastic. Now I have all the parts that are clean the best I could to get any of the grease or any kind of residue that's on these parts. Basically the best I can. Still see there's residue on there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean the areas that we're going to be using the adhesive. So I have cotton swabs with acetone on it, and that's what I'm going to use to clean these areas where we're going to be applying the adhesive. Then we'll do this two pieces first, and I'm going to put the activator on both sides, clean it with the activator. Everything, I've got as much of the grease and grime and whatever else on this. Got as much of that off as I could find. So it ends right here. Is that correct? Yeah, it looks like it ends right in here somewhere, so right there. So the activator's on that end. Need to put the activator on both sides. And we'll let that sit for 60 seconds. Okay, the next step is to apply the glue. It says sparingly to one side. So I'm going to try to put a small amount of glue. It's kind of hard to do it sparingly, but I'm going to try to just put a little bit, just let it kind of drip on there. And make the two pieces and hold it for 30 seconds. I don't know if you notice I use a ceramic towel to work off. It makes a nice work surface, so if I get glue or whatever on it, I can just clean it off, or if I damage it too much, I just get another towel. I have a whole pile of these towels. So it keeps the adhesives or any chemicals from getting on my workbench and staining it. So I'll hold this for the 30 seconds, and then we'll go on to the next step. And now to finish up adhering the final pieces, I assembled I put two screws in the handle part, and then I put tape across the top of the two halves to hold it together. So when I assemble this, I'm just going to stick it right on there, both halves, and then that way I know everything's lined up, so it'll go back together correctly. I gotta make sure this is right. Well, I'm going to put the activator on both surfaces now, so then get started. So let's see, this is a surface here. Find all my surfaces that I need to have the activator put on. Everywhere it's going to get some glue. And then we'll let that sit for 60 seconds for the activator to dry. The activator has set up for the 60 seconds. Now we're going to apply sparingly the glue to just one surface. This is kind of tricky, to say the least. I did a couple of tests to see if I could get this aligned up right, the two halves and on top of there, and it has been tricky. Now I got to make sure I get all the spots that need to be glued. If I get spots that don't need to be glued, that'll be fine. It'll eventually set up. Okay, now this is where it's going to be challenging. Okay, I got that side. Now it's popped out of the groove. It's back in the groove. Oh, to go in. That side matched up. The other side seems like it's matched up. To kind of lock in without pushing too hard because it seems to want to pop out. So I got everything lined up and I just got to hold it for my required 30 seconds without anything happening, popping out or anything. Without getting my fingers on it and gluing myself to it. So you do have to be careful with this adhesive. You don't want to get your fingers in the adhesive. Oh, the 30 seconds is up and just let it sit and cure. Bonding is all complete now. I put some glass in behind here. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. That was very difficult to do, cutting the piece of glass small and then try to get it to stick in there. I got glue all over whatever I was working on. It kept popping off. But I was able to get a couple pieces on to give it some reinforcement. So now it's ready to put back together, and then we're going to start doing some testing. So I got to remember how this went back together. So happily, it's almost all together. So I just have 2 more screws to tighten up in the body. This wasn't, it was not fun putting back together because it was a half a part broke when I was working on it, so I didn't really know the exact steps on how to put it back together. That's why I wasn't going to film me making myself look like an idiot. So it's together. The moment of truth is putting the battery pack in and see if it works. There's no fasteners left, no parts left, so everything's in there. I don't know. We're going to do a test after we just do this preliminary test. There you go. That's putting a lot of stress on that handle. Well, that's it for the Loctite Plastics Bonding System. If you like this repair, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to Build It Place. Leave me comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.